friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Happy Thanksgiving! Today is Cookies and Candy 25, day 4. And today we will be making one of my mom's favorite and so simple. All you need is Ritz crackers, peanut butter, and either chocolate chips or melting chocolate to make chocolate-covered Ritz crackers. I hope you enjoy. Oh, I forgot. I can't forget. Our wonderful host is the Inquisitive Farm Wife. Please check out her channel and don't forget the ladies in the playlist, because who knows what they're doing today. It's Turkey Day. Okay, we're going to start with 2 Ritz crackers. Add some peanut butter on it. And we're going to do that to 10, which I only have 2 more to go. Add some of our melting chocolate, and we're going to melt this in the microwave in 30-second increments. Make sure to stir so it does. Okay, we got our chocolate melted. We'll just put our Ritz cracker in. Make sure it's nice and covered and pull it out.